Understanding Restorative Yoga, a relaxing journey into wellness. Hello everyone! Today, we're going to explore a very special type of yoga practice called restorative yoga. This is not just any yoga. It's about relaxing your body and mind deeply. Whether you're new to yoga or a seasoned practitioner, understanding restorative yoga can add a peaceful dimension to your life. So, let's dive into what makes restorative yoga unique and beneficial. Restorative yoga is a gentle form of yoga that focuses on physical and mental relaxation through passive stretching. Unlike more active yoga styles, restorative yoga involves minimal movement, emphasizing stillness and comfort. In this practice, you'll use various props like cushions, blankets, and yoga blocks to support your body in different poses. The key is to hold these poses for an extended period, usually between 5 to 20 minutes, allowing deep relaxation. One of the most appealing aspects of restorative yoga is its wide range of benefits. It's not just about stretching your muscles, it's a holistic practice that nurtures your mind, body, and spirit. Some key benefits include reduced stress and anxiety. By promoting deep relaxation, restorative yoga helps lower stress levels and alleviate anxiety. Improved sleep. Regular practice can lead to better sleep quality, helping those with insomnia or irregular sleep patterns. Enhanced flexibility. Although it's a passive practice, it gently stretches the muscles, improving overall flexibility. Boosted immune system. By reducing stress, restorative yoga can also strengthen your immune system. Now, let's look at some common restorative yoga poses. Remember, the goal is to feel completely supported and at ease in each pose. 1. Child's pose. Balasana, a comforting pose that gently stretches the back and relaxes the body. 2. Legs up the wall pose, Viparita Karani. Great for relieving tired legs and feet, and can help improve circulation. 3. Supported bridge pose. Uses a block or bolster under the lower back for gentle inversion and relaxation. 4. Supported corpse pose, Savasana. The ultimate relaxation pose, typically practiced at the end of a yoga session. Restorative yoga is a beautiful practice that offers a unique combination of physical and mental benefits. It's perfect for those looking to de-stress, relax, and find a moment of peace in their busy lives. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of restorative yoga and inspires you to incorporate it into your wellness routine. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.